Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a Dollar Tree haul. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. I picked up one of these reusable pocket dry erase pockets. They are great for being able to put like checklists in and mark it off with a dry eraser and stuff like that. So I grabbed one of those. I also have not seen these, you guys. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a while. So I grabbed 3 of them. And they are, what are they? They're storage boxes. And they come with these side, like, lips. And then they come with these tops. And they snap on. And then there's a handle. And you can just carry these, and I'm looking at about the width, and it's about 13 by 8-ish. So I ended up getting 3 of those. So I'm excited about those. What else do I have in here? I picked up the crayon boxes. They're boxes for crayons, but I thought stickers and stuff would fit nicely in there. Maybe some ATC cards. And again, I bought a few of those. So that's for organizing. I picked up some Santa socks. Just one pair, long Santa socks with the little belt. They're so cute. For $1.25. I also found these stickers. They are just lovely. They look like little brooches almost. So I thought those were really pretty. Looks like we've got, it looks like Big Ben here. And they're kind of puffy. We've got the Eiffel Tower, the Leaning Tower pizza. Not pizza, pizza. And a little airmail sticker, a catalog, a love, and then a bird and roses there, a bird cage. Okay, I only picked up one of these, but you guys, I wanted to pick up like 12 of them because I feel like I want to have a class using these. So it's a DIY wood dice. I thought these would be really cute. I will definitely do a DIY with them, if not an entire class. And then I found these little, they say that they're ornaments, but I thought that they'd be really cute gift tags. They're wooden, and they're just so adorable. And then, of course, we're getting into the Christmas season soon, so I needed to pick up a thing of tape. I was also at a different Dollar Tree. I picked up some more. I picked up this, they're bowls, 2 bowls, and then this one is more little bowls that have 12 in there. Definite Christmas DIYs coming, and then some of these little ornaments that have, it looks like they're just twine or yarn, fluffy yarn, wrapped around maybe a styrofoam ball, but I thought they were so pretty. Let's see, what else? Oh, grab some of these, the removable picture strips. Now, I've heard that they don't remove very well, so I wouldn't place them anywhere where you want to make sure your wall stays intact. I haven't had any problems with it, but I would hate to risk that. I also found this little gnome. He's so cute, but I think we will probably do something with him as well. I picked up 3 of these. I'm not going to get them out because they're all glittery, but if you haven't seen the Ho 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 DIY with them yet, let me know. I will do a video for you with those. And then a few other things I'm looking. Okay. Look at these cute little scarecrow hats. Aren't they adorable? It looks like there's 4 hats in there, so I picked one of those up. I I also picked up some more of these jute burlap stickers because I think they are so pretty. Picked up some wire jute cording because I want to make some little Christmas trees with them. And then another one of these removable picture strips. So definitely going to be putting some pictures up. All right, beauties, I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know if you want to see some Christmas DIYs. And I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so you can make sure you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. All right, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.